I just cleansed my skin. I'm going to put on the LANCER Retexturizing Treatment Cream. Now, you're going to get a larger size. This is the smaller travel size, but same thing. And it has 10% glycolic acid in it, which is so good for your skin. So I'm just going to use about that much to start with. You're going to start inside and kind of work your way out on your face and on your neck. I just do like little massaging circles. It's a really nice moisturizing cream as well, but also it's retexturing your face, so it's going to make it look less dull and brighter. I definitely get kind of dull skin sometimes, and I have some sunspots coming in, so I like to always keep my skin looking as good as possible. It smells really nice too. So you can do this once a day to start, and then up to 2 times a day. And you'll start seeing some noticeable changes with your skin. Feels really nice going on. I'm already liking just how it's bringing my skin back to life a little bit, and that was really fast. Let's do the neck area. Usually you want to go up with the neck. There you go. All right, I think if you're looking for a really nice retexturing cream, you're going to love this one.